everyone, my name is Murteza and welcome to my channel. Today we are going through how to uninstall Oracle 11G safely and efficient. Well, this can be a bit tricky, but don't worry, I will guide you through every step. Let's make sure your system is clean and ready for anything before we begin. And before we dive in, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Your support helps me to create more content like this. Now, let's get started. Before we dive into the uninstallation process, here's a quick overview of what we'll be covering today. First one is to backup your data. This is to protect your important file before anything else. Second is to stop Oracle services and make sure the Oracle isn't running. Third, run the Oracle Universal Installer. This is the tool that will help us to uninstall the Oracle. 4. Remove the Oracle registry entries. This will clean up any registry leftovers. 5. Delete the Oracle files and directories. This is to remove all Oracle-related files from your system. 6. Remove the environment variables to ensure no traces are left behind. 7 is reboot your system. This is just to apply all changes and clean up any temporary files. And the last one is to verify the uninstallation. Double check everything that has been removed properly. Now, let's jump in and get started with step 1. First is to backup your data. It is crucial to backup your data to ensure that you have a copy of your important files on configuration. This way, if you need to move database to another location, you won't lose any vital information. You can use tools like the Oracle Data Pump or export-import utilities, but I will create a separate video on how to backup your data properly, so stay tuned for that. Next step is to stop the Oracle services. This can be done through the service window from command prompt. This step to ensure that Oracle isn't running while we uninstall it. So, you just open the services.msj using command prompt. It will open the pop-up like this, and you just search the Oracle. And like in my screen below, you can just stop, right click and just stop all the Oracle services which the status is currently running. You just stop it. We'll wait till this service control close, and you just stop the other services of Oracle. Yeah, it can like 1 minute or less. It depends on your system. Yeah, like this. Make sure that all the Oracle services are stopped before we go into the next step. Now, we run the Oracle Universal Installer. This tool will guide through the uninstallation process. We can find it in your Oracle installation directory, or just go to the Start menu, find the Oracle folder, and search for the Universal Installer application. After you click it, it will open the application like this. This is the Oracle Universal Installer. We click on the Install product. It will open the pop-up. In the Contents tab, we just check mark the Oracle homes that we need to uninstall. Leave the environment as it is because it is auto-click. So just check mark the Oracle homes that you need to remove. After that, we need to remove the Oracle registry entries. These are stored in the Windows registry. Use the registry editor to remove them to ensure no Oracle remnant are left behind. So for this one, we can just go to the command prompt and type the regedit and enter. It will open the registry editor like this one. And first, we need to go to HK local machine /software/Oracle. So we search the local machine, software, we expand this one and search for Oracle. This one, and you can right click and just delete. Are you sure? Click yes. After that, we need to go to HK local machine/system, current control set, and services. Okay, services, we search for the Oracle. It down below. Okay, this one. We got quite a bit. Yeah, right click, delete. This one too, the Oracle DB, Oracle Job Scheduler, Oracle DB 11G. This one too, Oracle Service ORCL, and the VSS Writer. Okay, and the last one, we go to the HQ local machine software. VWOV. Let me check it first. Is it there or not? If not, then you are done for this step. This one. Yeah, you can check this and just delete of this one. Yeah, like this. Once the registry entries are clear, the next step is to delete the Oracle files and directories. These include removing files from the installation directories, Oracle Home, and the data. So we just open the File Explorer and go to your Oracle installation folder. Like mine, is it the local C/app? Maybe you just same with me or not. You make sure from your system. So like this one, C/app product 11.2. So we just click Shift delete for this and continue. Okay, it will delete all the files, and we will wait till the delete process is over. Bigger your database, the longer it will take to delete. Next, we will remove environment variable associated with Oracle. These are often set during installation and should be clear to prevent issue. You can remove them through your System Properties menu. So you just open environment variables like this, and you can search the environment variables, and we go to this one, the environment variables detail, and we just need to search the Oracle Home or Oracle SID, path or TNS admin, or anything that relate with the Oracle. Like this one, we just go to the path, click edit, and search, is it any directories that relate with the Oracle. I will search for this one, like the path below. This is the Oracle installation folder, like 11.2. So we just delete, and this one too, and the rest is like for your another application, so leave it as it is. And after that, we just click OK. After completing the previous step, we need to reboot the system. This is to ensure all changes will take effect and clears any remaining process or temporary file. So you just need to restart your PC or your laptop, and after that, we just need to verify the uninstallation. Is it already clear or there is another file to be deleted? Finally, we go to the last step. This is the verify uninstallation. So you need to check your system to make sure all the Oracle files, services, and the environment variables have been removed. You can also run the command to confirm the Oracle is no longer installed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. Feel free to leave question or comment below, and I will get back to you. See you in the next video.